Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps, your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. Mitronam, today we are continuing our Karnataka series, Karnataka Geography, Physiography. Physiography is a part of geography that tells the physical nature of the habitat, land, a geopolitical region, its mountains, plains, plateaus, how actually the land looks like. And as a part of 14 of the series, we are talking about the Dharwad area, region of Karnataka, province of Bharat. And this is our Karnataka series, and I have covered other topics before. And we are now at Karnataka, the Dharwar plateau. Actually, this is reversed, but does not matter here. 14 should be the Dharwar plateau region of Karnataka. And Mitram, if you are new to my presentations and my YouTube channel, you can go to South Asia Maps JRD. There are more than 520 as of 2024 April. A varied, diverse presentations of Indology, human ecology, and I put them round about 65 partitions playlists so that you can choose your choice and field of interest and you can enjoy their listening to the presentations. I have covered broadly in the part 1 the 15 geographic regions or physiographic regions of Karnataka. Here you can look at part 1 to get a broader idea, and this is a deeper exploration of Dharwad Plateau region. These are the sub-regions of the Dharwad Plateau region, and this is the Narayanpur Dam here. This is the Narayanpur Dam here, and these are the Almaty Dam, that's the Krishna River. Much of the Dharwad Plateau area is south of Malaprabha River. This is Malaprabha River, that is a tributary of Krishna River that joins near Narayanpur Reservoir a place called Sangama Tangadgi. It is Almaty area, Chimalgi area, Ghataprabha River joins. This is the Doab region between Malaprabha, Ghataprabha here, Krishna here. South of Malaprabha is Dharwad area, and north of this Varada and Dharma, which is a tributary of Tungabhadra. This entire area I demarcated here. This is the Dharwad area. West part is the Malnad region, that is North Malnad region. And we have this hills, south of Gadag is the Gadag hills or Koppat hills here, Gadag Koppat hills. East of Malaprabha, these hills is called Badami hills, B-A-D, Badami hills. And Badami, that is the Gajendragad, and Kushtagi, eventually the Gangavati here. That is the Badami hills. This is Dharwad plateau, and this is the Shigun upland region, Lakshmeshwar upland region. In the plateau is enclosed in is a basin, that is the Tupari Halle, that is a tributary of Benji Halle river, which both join together Malaprabha. These are the tributary of Malaprabha. This is the basin area. You can see this is the Hospeta Dam, and that is the broader area, and we'll explore that further here. The similar information much more expanded. What are the borders of this area? So if it's a Dharwad plateau here, eastern part is the Raichur Doab area, further south of Bellary plains area, Raichur plains area, north is the Bijapur plateau area. In the border is also Bhima Valley, central Bhima Valley or Kulbaragi or Gulbarga area. and this is the Malnad region, that is the northern Malnad region. This is surrounded by the Gokak Hills, Kerur Hills, Badami Hills, Gajendragad Hills. This is the north of Vardha River. North of Vardha River, Vardha and Dharma River. This is surrounded by, this is the Belgavi Plateau. This is the Gokak Hills. This is the Badami Hills. And this is the Kopat Mountains here, Gadag Mountains, Kopat Mountains here. Surrounded by these mountains, the river basins of Tupari Halle, Benji Halle, tributaries of Malaprabha, they join near the town called Badami, the historical cultural center. So what are the areas we look? Most of the Dharwad district is that. Historically now the Dharwad district has three district actually: Dharwad district, Gadag district, Haveri district. Most of these parts are historical Dharwad district, and northern part of Haveri district, Gadag district, in the Koppal region, Elbaragi regions of the Raichur districts also cover certain parts. The regions we looked at before. And let's see, explore it further. Here you will get a lot better idea. This is the physiography, physical geography. Always again we start with this is the Pavagada Tehsil of Tumkur district, Sandur mountain. So this is the Hospeta Dam of Tungabhadra. This is the Malaprabha river. This is the Almatti reservoir. This is the Narayanpur reservoir. There is a place near Belgavi district called Jamboti. The river Malaprabha originates there, and near Saundati it goes here, and mountains here. First, there is a Badami town here, and it joins here into the Krishna river at a place called Tangadgi. Sangama. Sangama and Tangadgi, the historical Battle of Talikota was actually fought here. Tangadgi. There is also a small village, Rakasgi, that is on the Krishna basin here. So this is the Almaty Dam. There is a place called Chimalgi or Almaty, and on which the railway line and roadway passes through north of Bagalkote. This is the Bagalkote. This is the Badami town. This is the Ghataprabha river. Malaprabha river is like a dove, interflow, Antarvedi. Badami towns and Bagalkot towns are within that dome. Actual mountains, these are called Badami mountains. Badami mountains here, and there are various parts like Badami mountains, Gajendragad, and we have a Kustagi here, and Gangavati, eventually to the Tungabhadra river basin. This is one side of that. Gadak town will be here, and Gajendragad and Kopat here. Sorry, Gadag and Kopat mountains here. This is the Harpanhalli mountains. This entire is the plateau. South of Malaprabha, you see this is the river. This is the Vardha river, Dharma river, Vardha river here, the boundary between these two broadly. This is the Belgavi plateau. This is the northern Malnadu or Malenadu region, Sahyadri mountain. This is the Maidan region, Bayalasima. This is the Malnadu. We have the Karavali lowland areas other side. You can see Tupari Halle here, Benji Halle, both join Malaprabha river. Somewhere here, Dharwar Hubali will be somewhere here. This is Lakmeshwar upland. This is the Shigon upland. So you can see very clearly that is the basin. You can see that in the different perspective here. And this is the Pavagada again. This is the Hospeta Dam. You can see here this entire area, Dharwad region. This is the Malaprabha river. This is the Vardha river, Dharma river. So joins the Tungabhadra river. This is the Tungabhadra. See? This is the Tunga and Bhadra. This is the Bhadravati reservoir. This is the Tunga. They join here Shimoga. And the continuous here where the river joins. So this entire area you can see. And this is the Gadag town here, Gadag hills and Kopat hills here. Kopat Gadag hills here. This entire area. This is the Badami hills. This is the Badami Hills, Kustagi, Gangavati. This entire area is the Dharwad area between Malaprabha River on the north, Varada and Tungabhadra River country after inflow. That Almaty Reservoir you can see here. And further is the Sharavati Reservoir here. And that we'll cover in other part. So what are the political geography? Say political geography here you can see now this is the modern district, three districts. This entire area is the Dharwad plate. You can see Dharwad, Hubali and Kalgadgi. This Dharwad, Kalgadgi western parts is the Malnad area, northern Malnad, Navalgundu and Hubali and Kudangol and parts of Shiggan, Shavanur, Haveri and Shirhati, Mundargi, Gadag and Betagiri, that Rhone, and these parts until this all they come under Dharwad region. This is the Badami Mountains here. This is the new taluks, districts, and the historical old. I'm showing the same thing here. This entire thing is the Dharwad district, most of it covered by this Dharwad region. Southern part is Haveri, now a new district. Northern part still is the Dharwad Hubali area here. Eastern part is the Gadag district here. So this is the entire area. And I have shown here the truncated part of the Dharwad. You can see the Dharwad district here and Tungabhadra river here, the Vardha river. You can see Tungabhadra river, Vardha river here. This will give a better picture. Always you start with your landmark. Uh, this is the Narayanpur. This is the Almaty. This is the Malaprabha, and you can see this is the Gadag railway junction. The Hubali Dharwad, the Hubali railway junction, Dharwad here. So that means this south of Malaprabha river there, Malaprabha Dam, the Renuka Sagar Dam. This is the Dharma and Varada river here. They join the Tungabhadra here. This is the Tungabhadra Dam, that is the Hospeta Dam. So this entire area is the Dharwad area, and Gadag Hills and Kopat Hills are here. And this is the Bagalkote here, Badami here. So this is the Badami Hills here, eastern part. Gangavati Hills here, east of this Hospeta Dam. So Tupari River, Tupari Halle and other Benjihalle rivers are there. And you can see the same thing, Hubali Dharwad. The important thing is the Maratha State Railway Company first built the railway line between the Hospeta and Ballari. Hospeta and Ballari meter gauge railway line. Later, it extended that line the coast to coast, west coast, and the Sindhsagar to Gomantak, Goa, at that time Portuguese territory or Catholic imperialism, their headquarters. The east part Gunturu and Bejwada, Vijayawada, eventually to Bandar and Gangasagar, Bay of Bengal. So the important part it went to Hospeta, Koppala, and Gadag Betagiri here near Lakundi. You can see that. Yeah, Gadag Betagiri near Lakundi, that went there and went to Hubali railway junction. From Hubali, there is a train goes to south eventually to Tumkuru and Bangalore and so on. The important part is from Hubali, there is an all-hour railway junction. There is a railway line to Dandeli. That is also broad meter gauge at that time. There is a from Londa, there is a railway junction to Kanapur and Belgavi, eventually to Shangli, Miraj, Pune and all those areas. And from Gadag, it goes to Bijapur and all those areas. Castle Rock or Karanzol will be the terminal point in the North Kannada district, and the railway line eventually goes to Sangvem and Margova to Marmagova. That was the Gomanta coast to coast railway line. The important part is the Castle Rock was the terminal station in British imperialism, imperial territory. Western part is Catholic imperialism, Portuguese territory at the time for 500 years. That is the one, and we can see this same thing in different perspective. This is not that clear, but this is the Sandur Mountains, Hubali, this is the Gadak and Betagari, this is the Kopat Mountains here, and you can see this is the Hospet Dam, Tungabhadra River, this is the Vardha River here, and northern part is this is the Malaprabha reservoir. Here's Renuka Sagar reservoir. This entire area, this the Badami is in the Dove actually. Badami mountains are the Gajendragad mountains and all those. Eventually Gangavati mountains here, upland region here until this area. That is the an historical map of this during the post pre-Radcliffe line partition independence of Bharat. It is the in the Bombay Presidency, the Dharwad district and Bijapur district, Belgavi, Kannada region. We see this is the Nizam's territory. So that is about yeah. We have seen this part. This is the political map. This is the area we looked at it. So we can see the both the Dharwar plateau regions here. Malaprabha River and Varda Dharma River here, Hospet Dam, this entire area, Dharwad Plateau region, Dharwad region. So that is about the fascinating Dharwad area of Karnataka province. Hope this will give you a broader perspective of the land, geography. And Mitram, if you like the presentations, you can bring this information to the notice of your friends. You can subscribe the channel and also post your comments. See you later in other presentations. South Asia Maps, Dr. J. Reddy.